selamat siang. I'm Harmita Sari. I'm student at Donghai University, Taiwan, and then I am lecturer in University Muhammadiyah Palopo, Sulawesi in Indonesia. And then today, throughout this video, I will present the result of research. The title is the function of cultural value and the existence of classical literature among society. Okay, and then table of contents. Number 1, introduction and literature. Number 2, research and method. Number 3, result and discussion. And then the last, conclusion. Yeah, introduction and literature. Society and culture are a system that cannot be separated from each other, because there is no culture that does not grow and develop from a society. And vice versa, there is no society that has no culture, because without culture, it is impossible for human to survive. In short, culture is the way a community lives their daily lives. Yeah, according to Sari 2019, one of the richness of the Indonesian Alkobilok construction culture list is the diverse construction of marriage practice in various religions. The Tanah Toraja people are not of the tribes in Indonesia that in their social life still maintain the cultural tradition of their ancestors to this day. Yeah. Rampanan Kapa is merely the meaning of hiasan when we went from an etymological point of view. Meanwhile, from a juridical point of view, it departs from the etymological understanding that rampanan is an object or tool that function as a place to attach the skeleton of a house. Will this kapa? Yeah, kapa is used as a symbol of cleanliness, chastity of men and women who will be mated in relation to marriage. Rampanan kapa, it is a place where married stand with conscience of a man or woman. Yeah, and then Kada Tomina of the Toraja region is one of the oral literature in the Toraja area, which is the form of verse and is passed down from mouth to mouth. Yeah, and then the Kada Tomina of the Toraja region as oral literature that has its own peculiarities is always expressed for certain interests according to the sound to the verse, meaning that the sound of the verse, meaning that the Kada Tomina of the Toraja area is used as one of the medium of expression of the Toraja regional community to communicate their life experience, the certain interest to other within the scope of the Tanah Toraja regional community. Yeah, and then Makparapa is an activity with the aim of calming everyone present at an event. Yeah. Makparapa comes from the word rapa, which means calm, and ma which means to do. It means with this word is united with the prefiix to calm the condition. Yeah, Makparapa is usually carried out in various traditional ceremonial activity in Toraja. Both the traditional ceremony in the Tuka, Tuka Sik, and the traditional ceremony in Rambu Solo, Rambu Tuka and Rambu Solo. And then a cultural value system serves as the highest guideline for human behavior. Yeah, Williams and Conchamingrad, and then Lasky. The cultural value system is a powerful, pervasive, or rooted in the soul of cultural society that it is difficult to replace and change in a short time. Yeah, culture is a object created by human as a has a cultural being in behavior and tangible objects. Yeah, and then research question in the research question. What are the cultural value and existency of Mak Parapat text among the people in the Rampanan Kapak procession? Yeah, Rampanan Kapak procession in Tanah Toraja. Yeah, research method I have four. Yeah, research method I have four steps. Number one, this research includes qualitative research. Yeah, the design in this study is to collect data and collect data, process data, analysis data, and text research result objectively, or as follow the result obtained in the file. Then the second, the sort the data in the study in the text Mak Parapat in the Rampanan Kapak procession in Tanah Toraja. The text of Mak Parapat was obtained from the informant. Yeah, the data of this study consists of two, namely primary data and secondary data. The research acts as a core instrument, and the informant acts as a complementary instrument. Yeah, and then the data collection technique used in this study were documentation techniques, literature study technique, and interview technique. Yeah, research data analysis activity used in interactive model. Yeah, interactive model which is carried out with 4 stages of activity, namely data collection, data reduction, data presentation, data withdrawal, verification, and data presentation. Yeah, Jupri 2007 said that the characteristics of qualitative research are: number one, it has a natural background as a direct data source. It is descriptive, and then it passes more on the process than the result, and then tends to analyze the data inductively, and then the last meaning is essential. Yeah. Next slide. Result and discussion. Yeah. Culture value are abstract concepts of a major and general nature that are very important and valuable for people's lives. Cultural values become a reference for the behavior of mass members of the society in question, are in the realm of their minds, and are difficult to explain rationally. Yeah, based on the text of Mak Parapat in the procession of Rampanan Kapak in North Toraja, found cultural value as follow. The attitude of respect for value human beings is found in the Mak Parapat text implemented throughout the first stanza. Yeah, this is text soul of respect for value human beings. This is confirmed throughout the result of interview with informants who state the term tabe contained in stanza 1 refers to the application of invitation. Yeah, for the informant of tabe meaning refers to an apologies and a request of permission. Showing attitude of respect for fellow human beings is one of the culture that is still maintained by the people of North Toraja. Yeah. Then next slide. Yeah. The attitude of respect of fellow human beings is also found in the text Mak Parapa of Mak Parapa, which affirmed through the second, the second stance. This is the data. The template show in an attitude of respect of value human beings by calling all people present of the wedding to always sit quietly, because Tomina will convey about the custom of marriage, namely the tradition of crossing each other, of changing that the presence of the bridegroom have become the presence of the bride, and vice versa. And then the next, this third stanza, the continuation of the text of the one stanza also show an attitude of respect for value human beings on the line enalabi mo te allo mailo na de te molekulla ma pe dadi is one of the culture of the Toraja people, that the starting of a good day will also bring novelties to the two family unit the marriage bond. This statement is reinforced by the opinion of Concerning Rat 2002 and Yoles 2019, which explains that the cultural value system is a series of abstract conceptions that live in the minds of mass citizens of a society regarding what is considered to have important and valuable meaning, but that is taken for granted and worthless in life. And then the next, function of culture value. The first respondent, whom the research interview was Mr. Julius Tandung Rapang, a research English teacher, and then who was the head of the custom who used to bring Mak Parapa text. According to him, the Mak Parapa text has a function and benefit. Mak Parapa text has a function and benefit for education, family and culture growth. Mr. Julius Tandung Rapang says that encouraging the younger generation to dare to appear in public speaking and be able to apply good behavior in daily life. And then the function for family is to acquire family to maintain the cultural value they have been passed down from the ancestor and stay in harmony, always doing good qualities and previous people have done. Then the function for cultural group is to strengthen mutual support relation in crying out, even working together and solving problems together. And then the second respondent from the research interview was Mr. Yuli Pangkum, a cultural arts teacher and one the special traditional stakeholder in the Randan Batu area. According to him, the Mak Parapa text has a function for education, family, and culture group. Mr. Yuli said that so that children can interpret the advice, admonition, and relationship with God Almighty. The Mak Parapa text for the family has the function that cognitive family can glean the advice in the Mak Parapat text and be able to apply it in daily life so that the cognitive family can always work together, live in harmony and maintain its culture. Meanwhile, cultural groups are usable to form a society, to cooperate in every problem faced by each cultural group in one society and care for each other. And then thus, according to the informants was author have interviewed, the function of the value contained in the Mak Parapat text is a value that must be maintained. Yeah, maintained and always preserved in everyday life, but in formal and non-formal forms. In order to always create a society that is brave, good moral, cooperative, strives to preserve its culture and always live in harmony. Yeah, and every Tomina that perform the text of Mak Parapat is not all the same. Yeah, so there is something starting from the opening, the introduction, the beginning of the Aluk Rampanan Kapak, since Puang Matua or God. Yeah, created mind into the word in conjunction with Aluk Malolotonga of or Aluk Rampanan Kapak. Then it will be continued with the journey of Aluk Rampanan Kapak until this moment. Yeah, to be grateful for the bride and groom of all matters related to the ceremony are thanked to God, and finally by asking God for blessings to the bride and groom and family. Yeah, and then the next topic, the existence of the Mak Parapat text in the Rampanan Kapak procession in Tanah Toraja. Yeah. Mr. Bastian Sarapat said that starting to be coveted, the Toraja people are now more modern. Almost some people want to know what their previous parents did and want to know the real value, but they want to adopt it to modern religion. There are still many people who carry out. And then Mr. Julius Tandirapang said that the Mak Parapat text is getting more and more alive today because in the Rampanan Kapak wedding ceremony no one performs change the Mak Parapat text. The wedding ceremony feels not alive. And then Mr. Yuliu Pangkong said the Mak Parapat text still exists. Yeah, exists. Even the Mak Parapat text will be developed. Yeah. And then just according to the three informants, three informants whom the author has interview the existence of the Rampanan of the Mak Parapat text among today's society can be said to exist. Yeah, can be said to exist more and more because compared to a long time ago, the Mak Parapat text was used as a text that united the bride of groom in one marriage bond. And then after the introduction of modern religion, nowadays the text of Mak Parapat is used during the wedding reception after bride and groom unit the marriage contract, which is better now in Islam, Christianity now is it as a sacred promise. The Tanah Toraja community today considers the Mak Parapat is an important text of realm of Toraja culture or its own characteristic that this distinguishes is from marriage ceremony in other regions. The Toraja community shall maintain the legacy of their ancestor or previous present who are full of values that need to be known and applied in daily life, both in formal and non-formal activity. And then the next, the conclusion. Yeah, next slide. Yeah, conclusion. In general, it can be concluded that the Mak Parapat text in the Rampanan Kapak procession has a function of cultural value and still exists in Tanah Toraja society. The value for the family, family are to encourage the family to maintain the cultural value that have been passed down from the ancestor and stay in harmony, always doing good qualities our brave people have done. And then Kongnet family can take the advice in the Mak Parapat text and be able to apply it the daily life, so the Kongnet family can always work together, live in harmony, and maintain the culture. Yeah, the function of value for culture group is to strengthen mutually supporting relationship in carrying out events, working together, and solving every problem that exists together. Yeah, and then forming a society to work together in every problem faced by each culture group that exists in one society and care for each other, and also as an effort to preserve culture. And then the existence of Mak Parapat text in the Rampanan Kapak procession in North Toraja is still alive in the mindset of society. Yeah, the preservation of the Mak Parapat text in order to maintain the existence of Toraja culture must continue to be carried out. Yeah, not only in their form of oral tradition, but also through literature documentation, translation and edition conservation effort can also be carried out by integrating the latest into the school curriculum. Yeah, both as material and learning resources in schools. In this way, the existence of the Mak Parapat text as a Toraja culture identity can be maintained properly. Yeah, and then maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much.